Have you ever heard someone say it's saved in the cloud and thought, wait, what? Does the internet actually live up there, floating between the clouds in the sky? Well, not exactly. The internet doesn't float around like fluffy cotton candy. It's not sitting next to the rain clouds or hanging out with airplanes. The cloud is actually a cool nickname for something very real: giant computers on Earth. These giant computers are called servers. They're the real homes of the internet. They live inside data centers, huge buildings that store all your games, photos, and videos. It's like a super library for the internet, but instead of books, it's filled with data. Think of it like a massive digital toy box that holds everything you love online. When you open a picture, play a game, or watch a video online, your device sends a message to the cloud saying, "Hey, I need that file." Then the servers quickly find what you're looking for and send it back through super fast cables that run under the ground and even under the ocean. It all happens right on your screen in a blink of an eye. The cloud isn't in just one place, it's everywhere. Big companies have these data centers in different countries all around the world. They work together to keep your information safe, fast, and available 24/7, even when you're sleeping. It's like having a team of helpers all over the globe, ready to deliver your favorite content anytime you want it. So next time you hear it's saved in the cloud, remember, it's not floating in the sky. It's stored in super cool computers all around the world, making the internet feel like magic. Wasn't that awesome? Now you know where the internet really lives. If you learned something new, hit that LIKE button, subscribe to DevNaija for kids, and comment below. I'm a nation builder.